Just another one of those videos of why you need to have old empty equipment. In this case, i.e. a swarm trap. This is the cart I keep my swarm traps on during the, excuse me, trying to eat a blueberry. During the summer, fall, and winter. Down there picking blueberries and swarm hit the air. I grabbed my frame of brood comb and give it a squirt of Swarm Commander, and they just totally ignored me. They started moving off immediately. As soon as they got in the air, they started moving off immediately. Guess where they decided to go? Right there. See if I can prop this up and not disturb them as they're going in. Looks to be a good sized swarm. I do not even know if there is comb in that box. But I always keep available equipment out for the bees to move into just in case. I don't have a clue what colony this came from, but I have a good idea because it's right on the other side of the grapevines from where I was picking blueberries. This will be a pretty good sized swarm. They're lighting on me, lighting on my hat, my arms, my shirt. That's probably because I can smell a little bit of Swarm Commander on my fingers. So I guess this is one of those where you can say, I didn't have to leave home to catch a swarm in a swarm trap. They're getting tighter and tighter. Now the fun part will be moving these off to somewhere where I can get them out of that box, get them onto some frames, and feed them. And I might just set them up right here. Have lit all over this trailer and everything in it. Ends up being a good sized swarm. Have not seen a marked queen yet, so this may be one of the virgin colonies back there that decided to leave. Well, there you have it. Hopefully we got the queen on the video. I'm going to shut her off now because there's maybe 50 bees in the air and the majority of them have walked their way in. So that is what it looks like when a swarm takes a swarm box. Thanks for watching.